Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you UPS how to cancel a shipment. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to cancel a UPS shipment, what you need to do is simply head over and open up a browser. Then on the search bar simply type in ups.com. Then once inside, be sure to be logged into your account, and once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the three horizontal bar, and then you'll find an option that says shipping. Simply tap on that and then select the shipping history under My UPS. Then once done, what you need to do is find the shipment you want to cancel, and if it hasn't been scanned by UPS Save, simply click on Void or Cancel Shipment. You can confirm the cancellation by simply removing the label from the system, and if you paid online, the refund is usually issued within 1 to 2 weeks. Now if you bought the label through a UPS store or third-party site, simply contact the same store and they can void the label if the package hasn't been picked up. And for online marketplaces, cancel through their shipping manager and they will send to void request to UPS. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.